the top spot. This in spite of Val's severely injured eye, which met and then elbow during rehearsals before heading off to get stitched up. She told me the show had to go on.
I had to keep going because he was smiling, and if he was smiling, then that means keep going.
The worst she could have done is stop.
Did you know she had moves like that? I mean, no. Not surprising. She's still in the game as Mark and Allie hold her place. Allie's father, like many of us, was impressed with her terrific pole dance moves.
So once he was on TV, you gotta go big or go home.
Oh, it's as big as it gets tonight. I'm kind of thinking it's going to be Kelly and Big. After that performance last night, that Michael Jackson move.
What do you want?
I'm thinking they're going to point out the usual thing. All right, straight ahead. How Twister went to great lengths to get an accurate portrayal
Come on.
of a tornado's terrifying.
Get in there.
50-year storm that's coming.
Man, who can forget Billy Bob?
What's in here? That's my wife Angie's blood. That's from us using a box cutter.
Angelina's long road from wild child to inspirational woman.
But first, Bradley, the crowd pleaser, and
All right,
my,
baby girl.
the hangover baby has grown.
What time is it? 7:07.
I gotta have that badonka-dunk butt. Oh, and a backpack.
So,
What do you really get?
boy, oh boy.
Instead, try the tempting Subway Smokehouse Barbecue Chicken. A mere 6 grams of fat and
I
Subway
will.
Fresh Fit Meal. Subway, eat fresh.
Is he done
No.
with this by
Chicken
7:30?
made the way you say. Get to Subway now.
Come on, no.
9:75, 7:20.
Flattering with melted American cheese. Maybe spice it up with Chipotle Southwest sauce. Just $3 today. Subway, eat fresh.
Okay, come on. See you. Oh, you okay? Ah, you bit me. What the?
Clinique's new Moisture Surge CC Cream. Clinique gives you healthy, glowing perfection in one step. Hydration and sun protection means skin looks like the picture of health. Moisture Surge CC Cream, now from Clinique. Available at Macy's. Your skin destination.
Something on the floor.
Today it's Pacino, walking and arcing and stand-up guy. Psychological thriller side effects of Channing Tatum and supernatural love story Beautiful Creatures.
The Fox 12 Intensity Index. Just one glance and you'll know how many water balloons, raindrops, are waiting for you outside. If the intensity index is green, no need for a heavy
Oh no. No, I don't want you to fall. Let me know. Get out of there. I don't want you to fall, little guy. You don't need to get under the bed like that. Stop getting out of here. Get in the fun. Fight back or something.
Northwest foster children, a pair of new shoes.
Hey.
How are you?